Sure. Let's dive into the reviews for the top 10 best electric pressure cookers. With a simple and human-friendly language. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is a versatile kitchen gadget that combines 7 appliances in one. A pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, and warmer. It's designed to make cooking faster and more efficient, saving you time and kitchen space. With a 6-quart capacity, it's suitable for medium-sized families and comes with over 800 recipes to get you started. Pros. Asterisk. Multifunctional, replacing several kitchen appliances. Saves time and energy with quick cooking options. Large variety of recipes included. Cons. Asterisk. Learning curve for beginners. Bulky to store in small kitchens. Number 2. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 steps up the game with 10 functions, adding sous vide and sterilizer to the already impressive list. Its 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, and the black stainless steel design looks sleek in any kitchen. The Pro version is aimed at those who love experimenting with new recipes and techniques, offering even more versatility. Pros. Asterisk. More functions for creative cooking. Sleek design enhances kitchen aesthetics. Robust build quality. Cons. Asterisk. Higher price point. May require additional accessories for all functions. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 offers 9 functionalities, including a cake maker and egg cooker, on top of the Duo's features. It's an 8-quart giant, ideal for larger families or meal prep enthusiasts. This model aims to be your go-to for nearly all your cooking needs, from breakfast to dinner and everything in between. Pros. Asterisk. Large capacity for big families or meal prep. Extra functions for versatile cooking. Intuitive interface with easy-to-use controls. Cons. Asterisk. Takes up more counter space. Can be overwhelming for simple cooking needs. Number 4. Cosori Electric Pressure Cooker 9-in-1. Cosori's Electric Pressure Cooker 9-in-1 is a fantastic option for those looking to explore pressure cooking without a hefty price tag. It includes 13 presets for various meals, making it beginner-friendly. With a 6-quart capacity and 1100 W power, it's efficient and versatile, perfect for everyday cooking. Pros. Asterisk. Affordable without sacrificing quality. Presets make it easy for beginners. Efficient and quick cooking. Cons. Asterisk. Less brand recognition may concern some users. Accessories for specific functions may need to be purchased separately. Number 5. Instant Pot Rio 7-in-1. The Instant Pot Rio 7-in-1 brings a colorful twist to the Instant Pot family, offering the same great functionality with a more compact 6-quart size. It's an excellent choice for those with limited kitchen space or smaller families, providing all the essential cooking methods in one appliance. Pros. Asterisk. Compact and colorful design. Easy to use for beginners. Ideal for small families or spaces. Cons. Asterisk. Fewer functions than larger models. Some users may miss the extra capacity. Number 6. MegaChef 12-quart digital pressure cooker. The MegaChef 12-quart digital pressure cooker is a large capacity cooker designed for big families or those who love to meal prep in large batches. Its 15 preset options cater to a wide range of cooking needs, from meats to desserts, making it incredibly versatile. The inclusion of a glass lid is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to monitor your food without releasing pressure. Pros. Asterisk. Very large capacity suits big families or gatherings. Variety of presets for versatile cooking options. Glass lid for easy monitoring of cooking progress. Cons. Asterisk. Its large size requires significant storage space. Maybe more than needed for smaller families or individuals. Number 7. Ninja OL701 Foodie 14-in-1 Smart XL. The Ninja OL701 Foodie 14-in-1 Smart XL is not just a pressure cooker. It's a culinary powerhouse with capabilities extending to steam frying, air frying, and even baking. It stands out with its smart lid and thermometer features, ensuring precise cooking temperatures and methods. With an 8-quart capacity and a 5-quart crisp basket, it's perfect for those who love to experiment with cooking and want the convenience of multiple appliances in one. Pros. Asterisk. Broad range of cooking functions beyond pressure cooking. Smart technology for precise cooking. Large capacity suitable for families and entertaining. Cons. Asterisk. Higher price point reflects its advanced features. Complexity may intimidate beginners. Number 8. Nesco NPC9 Smart Electric Pressure Cooker and Canner. The Nesco NPC9 is a smart electric pressure cooker that doubles as a canner, making it a unique option for those interested in preserving foods. With a 9.5-quart capacity, it's large enough to handle big batches of preserves or meals. Pros. Asterisk. Dual functionality as a cooker and canner. Large capacity ideal for big batches. Durable and easy to clean stainless steel construction. Cons. Asterisk. Specialized use may not be for everyone. Slightly higher learning curve for canning novices. Number 9. Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 adds air frying to the already impressive list of functions, allowing you to enjoy crispy foods with less oil. Its 8-quart capacity is ample for families, and the multi-cooker lids facilitate easy switching between functions. Pros. Asterisk. Includes air frying for healthier crispy dishes. Large capacity for family meals. Versatile with easy function switch. Cons. Asterisk. Price point is higher due to added functions. May require additional storage for different lids. Number 10. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1, renewed. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1, renewed, is a refurbished model that offers all the benefits of the new Duo Plus but at a lower price point. With a 6-quart capacity, it's versatile enough for various cooking tasks while being more affordable. Pros. Asterisk. More affordable than buying new. Environmentally friendly choice. Retains versatile functionality of the Duo Plus. Cons. Asterisk. Refurbished status may concern some buyers. Limited availability compared to new models. These summaries are designed to help you navigate the diverse options in electric pressure cookers, focusing on the unique features, pros, and cons of each model to find the perfect match for your cooking style and needs.